I'm going to do an explanation of my PLC controlled propagation system. I got my laptop connected to the PLC, so I'm monitoring data, live data, and I'm going to explain to you how all this stuff works. All these boxes over to the right of the screen, those are instructions. They're every one of them are they basically tell the CPU everything about the module that's plugged into the expansion slot, and that's, it looks like a bunch of crazy stuff, but that's all it's for. It loads a constant value of 4. It tells it to look at 4 channels, and sends that information out to V memory location 7700, and that's all that's for. It's just to tell it, hey, here's where I am, here's what I got in me. I'm gonna scroll down. This little reading right here, this 239 or 238. There's a decimal place implied into that. So right now it's saying 24.0, or if you look up here on the screen, see it says 24.1, 24.0. That is that value right there that I'm reading. That's the temperature inside the shed right now. So there is a decimal place implied, and what I'm doing is using a comparison instruction. This is V memory location V2000, and that's channel 1. And what it says is, if the value in that channel is greater than or equal to a constant value of 75, which is 75 degrees, then it's going to turn on the fan for zone 1. It's going to set it. It's going to keep it on. As soon as the same one gets less than K700, which is 70 degrees, then it's going to reset it. So it's going to turn it on and off. It's going to have a 5-degree temperature swing. And of course I got a button right here. This is an OR instruction. This one that goes here and then up there, that's an OR instruction. That's a manual button on the touchscreen. That's a C1. See, I can turn it on if I go up to right here, and I'm going to go to the next screen. Zone 1 right there. It says turn fan on. Well, okay, I'll go ahead and turn it on. Now you see that instruction right there is on. But it won't let it set the output because it's already reset, and it don't make any difference. But you can see it work. I'll go ahead and turn it back off. But yeah, this you can have all kinds of different screens, like I was telling you. There's my trend screen. I hadn't got it working like I want it yet. You can program up to 999 screens, and we'll go back to the beginning. Okay. See, ain't nothing too bad about this. So every one of those zones are the same way. And right here I'm doing this SP3. That's a special relay, and it goes true every minute. It gets its reference from the internal clock of the PLC. What it does is give me a count every minute, and that's how I'm triggering. Hey, here's when I need to turn my lights on for 16 hours. Stuff like that. Let's go on down a little bit more, and see it's that's a counter 0. Well, here's some comparison instructions off of that counter right there. They are true, and it has got Y4 output turned on. So if I had these lights hooked up right now, they'd be on. And I can turn them on with a manual button on the operator interface panel over here. Here's my cabinet bulb. That's a little bitty bulb inside the inside this little cabinet right here. I got a 25 watt in it right now, and I'm using it as a heater. It's on right now. What I'm doing is monitoring the outdoor temperature, and if that channel 4 is less than a value of 46 degrees, it's going to set Y3, which is going to turn the bulb on. And then of course when it goes greater than or equal to 60 degrees, it'll reset it. It'll turn it off. So yeah, it's on right now. I would take a screwdriver and open it up and let you see it, but but trust me, it's on. I got a whole bunch more stuff that I can add. This stuff right here is going to be for like my trending and stuff. I haven't got it working yet, but I will get it. I've got some alarms set up. Like for instance, if the temperature inside the chamber, propagation chamber right now, if it was to go over 80 degrees, it's going to turn on an alarm, and it'll show it up right here at the bottom of the screen. There'll be a message pop up, and it'll just scroll. You know, you can program all, I think up to 99 different messages. But that's pretty much how it works right now. I can't wait to put this thing into action. It just ain't time yet, you know. But I'll get it. But anyway, I wanted to give y'all a little instruction on how this thing works. You know, once you figure out how to put all this together, it ain't no big deal.